Hi, in this video, we'll see how the data structures can be classified. Classification of data structures. We can have three major categories based on physical adjacency of elements that constitute the data structure and nature of the elements and based on associated memory location and size. Using these three categories, we can have three different set of classifications for data structures. Now let us see what are these types of data structures. The first set of classification is based on, as I said, their physical adjacency in memory. Based on whether the elements of the data structure is physically adjacent or not, we have one classification. They are linear and non-linear. If the elements in a data structures are physically adjacent, then it is called a linear data structure. For example, the elements in an array, they are physically adjacent in memory. So it is an example for linear data structure. If the elements of data structure are physically not adjacent, they are spread over the entire memory, then such data structures are called non-linear data structures. Example is linked list. You know, each element of the linked list may spread over the entire memory space. Another classification, as I told you, based on the nature of the elements, whether the elements are identical or not. If the elements are identical in a data structure, then they are called homogeneous data structures. Again, an example, arrays are homogeneous data structures. We know each element in an array are of similar types or identical types. So they are homogeneous data types. On the other hand, in a non-homogeneous data structure, each element constituting the data structure are of different types. If you take the case of structure or record, you can easily understand that each structure have different types of data. So the elements in the data structure are of different types. So they are non-homogeneous data structure. The third classification, it is based on the associated physical memory size and location. If the physical memory size and location are fixed at compilation time, then they are called static data structures. If the memory size and location are varying on the run or on the fly, then they are called dynamic data structures. Example for static data structure is arrays. As you know, we have to specify the size of an array when it is declared, and once the program is compiled, its size is fixed and memory locations, associated memory locations are also fixed. In the second case, means in the case of dynamic memory, dynamic data structures, the size and memory location associated may vary as the program runs, or they are decided only at the time of running of the program. Such data structure is called dynamic. An example for that is linked list. I hope you understood the classifications of data structures. Thank you very much. Good day.